Well, happy Friday, everyone. Hope everyone had a great week. Finished up my week with a red day at minus $159. So not a huge loss, but really should have been positive for the day. But had one mighty 90 trade that was a winner, plus 120. Baidu and Beyond were scratch trades pretty much for the runners. Um, DKNG plus 173, Facebook 110. I gave some money back in both those. This is the one that really hurt Microsoft. I tried to get out of this one. I was down 38 bucks, and literally within seconds, um, I couldn't get it closed. I'll show you that and show you why. But that ultimately put me in the red. Piton 160 minus 160, and Roku. Another reason I'm in red. I actually was up in Roku and re-entered and ended up getting negative overall for Roku. So there was two entries. So minus 159. Let's go take a look. Tesla, first one, mighty 90. So in Tesla, we had a nice mighty 90 signal right here, and it pushed up. Um, got out of 10% on this push up, and then it started to come down, and we just bailed on it because we just felt like it was going to go down, and it ultimately did. So small winner there, plus 120. Um, Baidu and Beyond, those were scratch trades. I probably won't need to cover those. Steve, I know we'll cover those. DKNG, so this is one I did on my own, was not in the live stream. So where is DK? There it is. DKNG. So right here I got a pullback. So with a continuous upside runner, so it's very strong. Pulled back, got this nice push up, and then started to chop around. Um, and I ended up getting out of it when it started to come back down here, and you see it's still chopping. So I just got out plus 173. Um, I was up a little bit more and gave some back as it started to come down here, but really I didn't want to sit in front of my computer all day and just watch chop. It's Friday, so I was just kind of ready to be done. So plus 173, Facebook 110. So Facebook, right here, again, continuous upside runner. It pulled back right here. I got long and got profits, started to chop around, kind of the same thing. I just ended up getting out when it pulled back here. So I lost, I was up, I lost about $100 as it came back down to here, to this pivot. And, it could bounce off this and continue up. But again, I'm just not going to sit in front of my computer all day today. Um, Microsoft minus 234. This is the one that really hurt. Let's see here. So um, in Microsoft, so we did a downside runner. Let me see exactly when I got in on this one. So Msft. Okay, so this one I got in 27. So got in right here on this up move, and it reversed, and everything started getting strong. And so I was up briefly in the trade, and then everything started bouncing, and so it tried to get out right in here, and with this just being such a push, I couldn't get out, and it went from down 38 bucks to down 234 on this huge push up. So that was unfortunate. Let's see, Piton minus 160. Again, really, really strong on this pullback here. I got long, and I probably should have waited for it to come back to the pivot to get long. I was looking to get long on this. It just wasn't given after this pullback here. It just wasn't giving us any opportunity to get in, and so I took this one. Went small, but I probably should have waited a little bit longer. You can see it's probably starting to bounce here, but I ended up getting out as it started to push back down. Again, I just didn't want to sit here all day. The price movement just is really incremental. So that's a loser. Finally, Roku. So in Roku, we got this big volume bar here. So on this push up, we got short, rolled over, and um, got out of it. When it got down here, we just got out of everything for a nice winner. In fact, let me see if I can see what that winner was. I was up $166 on this down movement. And then when it bounced here, I got back in short, thinking it was going to roll back over, with this big volume bar. So, but it didn't. And then it just went boom, like everything was pushing. And so I got out again on this big push. And that was a minus 335 loser trying to get back in right here as it pushed up. And so that maybe negative in Roku for minus 169 overall for the day. Um, minus 159, so a small loser. And a summary for the week, it's been a not so good week. So when you look at the week, let's go back to lose 4 of the 5 days were red days for me. So when you look at a summary, had 10 mighty 90 trades, 4 winners, 6 losers, P&L of minus 1323. The runners well under 50% here. Again, that's what really hurt me at the beginning of the week. Minus 4,044 overall, P&L for the week at minus 5,367. So a not very good week, and I'll most likely be offline end of next week, so I maybe have a few days left for the next. Probably trade maybe 3 days next week. I don't know. It is turkey season. If you don't know, I am a big hunter. I guess if you look at my screensaver here, I am a big hunter, and so you can see all the turkey fans. And so next Thursday, turkey season opens in the state of Nebraska, so I will be traveling back to my hometown area to be turkey hunting. It opens March 25th, so I'll be online prior to that, but probably the last couple days next week I'll be in the turkey woods. So I will see everyone next week at the beginning of the week. Have a great weekend. Peace.